To the back here. Found this engine. We're gonna... Oh, there's little Timmy. Get him! Get him right now!
Why is he climbing the tree?
Alright, so we're doing a little holes for the mower here.
We got the Maniac mower installed.
Yay!
Alright, so we've professionally installed the fasteners to keep the Maniac mower in place.
It wobbles. Did you put stuff in it?
We got low Timmy running.
Yeah! Big rock! Oh! 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 Yo, alright, that's it, bro. We gotta go. Like for part 2.